Hello, today I'd like to introduce you to an exciting new product called the DVR240. This is another covert AC adapter, but has a very unique feature, which is that it allows you to hook up an external camera to it. There is nothing built into this device. So as you start to unpack it, it's very similar to other models. We have USB cable, video output cable for setting up your menu adjustments, micro SD card and SD card adapter. But you have this other cable, which is new. This is the video input cable. And you'll see two plugs here on it. The first is a female RCA. This is your video input. And this black power cord. This cord actually supplies 12 volts at 300 milliamps to power an external camera. So I install the SD card just like all the other models. Plug in this video input cable. Replace the battery door. And then I need to connect the camera. Again, this is a female RCA. So depending upon what camera you're using, you may need any series of different adapters. This is a male RCA to male BNC for a direct connection, or this is a male RCA to female BNC if you're going to use an extension cord. So I'm going to demonstrate a direct connection. So this is my male RCA to male BNC. We call this a Con 6. And this is a non-IR outdoor varifocal bullet camera. This is a PC804WR. And now I'm done. All I need to do is plug this in. It will supply power to the camera and records to that onboard SD card. This is a complete setup, all in one really nice, neat, tight little package. If you are a homeowner that wants to quickly install a single camera and doesn't have the space for a full-size traditional DVR, or if you want to use this in a commercial environment where you have a camera, either a covert or overt camera that you need to install that you mechanically cannot get cabling to, or something that you need quick access to the SD card, this is a really fast, very easy to use option that combines multiple pieces into one very small, very easy to use package. As you see here, in this bookcase is actually a covert binder piled up with all the other books. So in a residential situation, if you want to put a camera in your library or in your living room in a bookshelf to keep an eye on things, this blends in very easily. So I can just plug in this AC adapter to power the camera and then put the binder back on the bookshelf. Then this is the view actually through the camera recorded off of the SD card. So you can see me walking around in the field of view that's actually coming from the camera itself.